There's going to be a short tutorial on Shoulderstand I and II and Niralamba Sarvangasana I and II, which is no arms. Okay, have fun. Right, for Shoulderstand, just lay down on your mat. There are a few things that are frequently issues with Shoulderstand, so I'd like to bring some attention to that. But for now, just lie down. This is assuming either after your headstand practice or after your yoga practice in general. You can bring your legs over your head and push your shoulders, wiggle your shoulders together, right? It's a very good pose. It starts giving you a lot of strength for a lot of inversions. So if you want to start with inversions, this is a good way to start. So wiggling the shoulders together is the first step. Push the back of the head down onto the ground and the shoulders on the ground. And you can bring your hands onto the back. Your neck should not be touching the floor. Bringing both legs up at the same time is ideal. If you're a beginner, you can bring them together and then up. But I would always advise you to try to pike them up, and if not, always move your legs together, not one by one. It'll put one-sided pressure on your shoulders or your neck, and if your neck is not strong yet, you're going to feel it. Whereas if you have both sides equally in weight, it'll be easier, right? So you push your hands into the back and you're going to lengthen your legs away from your body. Now, a lot of people just bring the feet above the head like this. You want to lengthen away and bring the feet above your shoulders. Shoulderstand, right? And if you have some trouble with your shoulders and your neck is pushing down, then just wiggle your elbows more together, your shoulders more together, and again, try and push up. Ideally, your abdominal muscles should be working, okay? You should also not turn the head like I am doing. Keep the chest touching your chin, ideally, right? And then legs are super active and up, 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 up to the ceiling or sky. Now, if you are going to try the second variation, you can just do it from all the way up there. Just you can also do it from the beginning. So then that would be arms straight, hands interlaced. This is Niralamba Sarvangasana II, right? You can do that from here, going into arm straight position, but you need to be able to push the weight a little bit off your shoulders again and wiggle the arms and shoulders together more. So sometimes it's easier to go up like that. If you're straight all the way in this position and then change, you will see how it's hard to keep the legs straight and the body straight. That is only going to happen if you bring your shoulders close together again and your neck's still not touching, right? The back of the head is touching and your upper part of the deltoid and the outer part too. Now the next variation would be Niralamba Sarvangasana, arms straight next to your ears. Now again, pushing the shoulders against the floor, legs up. This is the way we are trying to straighten up. You need a lot of core strength for this one. The chest and the chin are touching each other. Eventually, one arm up, other arm up. Eventually, just the acromion, the bony part of your shoulder up there, is pushing into the floor. Legs up. And then, yes, your feet will come a little bit over your head. It's just what it is. Because your body has to counterbalance somehow, right? Okay, after shoulder stand, just when you come down, make sure you do Halasana. You push your heels away from the body. Arms are behind the body. And you're going to very slowly release the spine back down. Or you do Karna Padasana, other variations I can cover in the shoulder stand cycle. And relax. Very important part of Sharvangasana is the relaxation. A lot of people start getting very reactive to the intense feeling in the shoulders. If you are somehow tense or working out a lot in your shoulder region, you're going to feel this a lot because it puts a lot of pressure into your muscle, trapezius muscle mostly, and you will feel the hyperactive or the reactive hyperemia, the reactive more blood flow than usual. And that is okay. It releases a lot of nitric oxide, opening up the vessels. You're going to feel it as a pinching sensation, like needles or heat. It's all right. Just give it a moment, relax, and it will calm down. Just from having a compression for a while and then releasing the compression. It's eventually good for your muscle because shortly the vessels are widened and blood flow is going everywhere. Good. Okay. I hope you have no more questions about Shoulderstand. I wish you a beautiful day. Thank you.